Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how we can install Python in Visual Studio Code for absolute beginners. So let's straight away get started with the video. So the first thing you need to do over here is open your Chrome browser and search for Python download. Okay, so once you're done with this, click on the first link which you see, and then here you need to click on downloads and select the desired operating system. Either it could be Linux, Windows or Mac OS. So here we will download for Mac OS. For Windows also it's almost the same thing, so just keep watching the video even if you are a Windows user to download Python. So for this pop-up you need to just continue and then agree to the terms and condition and also install it. So it will take few seconds or so to install, and here we will provide the authentication. Let's wait for until it gets installed, and once it is installed we need to just keep it and open it from our downloads. So we'll just close this Chrome browser and we will open our Python. Here you can see Python has been installed with the version 3.11. Now we will open up our terminal to check whether if it has installed or it is running properly. So what you need to do is just go to your terminal and type Python. So here you will see the specified Python has been installed. You can also test it with adding two numbers. Here I have added 2 plus 2 which shows 4, and now we will go to Visual Studio Code. So for that we need to search for Visual Studio Code in Chrome browser and we need to just download it. Now just click on the link and let us wait until it loads the page, and here you can see the page where it shows a download Visual Studio Code for Windows, Linux or Mac OS. So click the desired one. I'll click for Mac. You can also click for Windows. So it will start getting downloaded and it will take few seconds or so to get downloaded with the vscode. As soon as it is downloaded, open it from your downloads, and so now what you need to do is click on extension and search for Python, and you will get a display of Python extensions where you can install this. So the first one, here we will click on install, and it has started installing the Python. It will take few minutes to install, as in few seconds. So let's wait until it gets installed. So now as soon as it installs, we need to open a new folder to test our Python, how it works. So here I'll just type to print subscribe, which should actually do it. Subscribe to my channel in case if you like this video, and let's save it as python.py and then just run it. So here you can go on terminal and click on terminal and then run as python.py. okay, python.py is the file name, and the Python name Python is supposed to be written and it is constant. Here we are going to write python.py, which gives or prints out the output subscribe. In case if you like this video or found it any way helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.